5 people were booked for allegedly stealing electricity worth rupees 4.93 crore in Vasai in Palghar district. Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited (PRO) Vijay Dhupate on Sunday said a case was registered at Virat police station on Saturday against 4 directors of an ice factory and a man who had helped them set up power stealing mechanism. The officials said on October 30th, an MSEDCL team had carried out a surprise check at the premises and found remote controls and other gadgets being used to tamper power consumption readings. In 59 months, the firm had used over 27.84 thousand extra units of power valued for over rupees 4 crore. A Virat police station official said no arrest had been made in the case so far.